Welcome back to the tech sector. Today we are once again talking about mining. So I do have my rigs on and operating. I do have a lot of sun here in New York. So I've been pretty lucky this winter with a lot of sunny days. So my solar panels have been generating quite a lot of electricity, which is the only reasons why I even have these things on right now. And if you don't already know, I've got 1080 Ti's up top, I've got 1060s in the middle, and I've got 1070 Ti's down at the bottom. Now, my only issue that I've been running into is having my gaming rigs and my other electrical stuff running all the time. So when my people like my little cousin come over, he's literally gaming on this thing all day, and this does suck quite a lot of power. It's got a 1080 Ti, it's got a Xeon, I'm running 3 monitors, a speaker, and he's got that TV up there too. So this system draws a ton of power, so I've got this subtracted out of my electricity cost, and the only thing I'll be calculating off of today is just the rigs alone. By the way, if you guys want to see a setup tour, make sure to like and subscribe, because I will be doing a setup tour very soon, and at the end of the video I will be talking about the details on the RX570 giveaway. So without further ado, let's get straight into these numbers. Alright guys, so as usual, I do have my little document right here. Today is February 17th, 2019, and in this doc I have all of the numbers we're going to be looking at. So keep in mind, these numbers are really only valid for like the next week or two, but it is a good way for you guys to kind of gauge where the market is at. That being said, my numbers have been pretty consistent for the past 2 months. Since December to now, I've been making just about the same amount of money, which means that there's some stability in the market. I am sticking to Ethereum. It is still my most favorite coin. There are more profitable coins to mine. That being said, those coins fluctuate like crazy, whereas Ethereum does not. And I'm a safe miner. I just like to set the systems and kind of forget it. So this is what I'm making. This is not what the most profitable numbers are, but this is what I'm making. And you also have to keep in mind, I do have a solar panel set up on my house, so electricity does not affect me, but I do have electricity numbers in here for those of you guys that do have to pay it, so you can take this into consideration. So up top, I've got the 1080 Ti system running Ethash, doing about 212 megahash a second, and it's using about 880 watts. Monthly, that's $63.36 in electricity. Daily, it's about $2.11 in electricity. My daily revenue is $2.50, and my monthly revenue is $75. So once you subtract electricity, daily I'm making 39 cents, and once you subtract electricity, I'm making $11.71 monthly. So I'm pretty happy with these numbers in the sense that they're pretty much the same as they were back in December. But it's also really sad because I've got 17 GPUs here and they're making 39 cents a day. So that's a depressing number to hear. It's literally like, I don't know, this entire setup right here is, I don't know, 7-8 grand, and that's all it's making. So it's kind of depressing, I'm not gonna lie. But thank you God, they've paid off for themselves. If these systems did not pay off for themselves, I probably would not be mining on them right now. I probably would have sold them. So let's move on. 1060 system. It's running on Ethereum also. 144 megahash, using about 530 watts. That's at about $38.16 a month in electricity, and $1.27 in electricity daily. And remember, I am calculating at the national average of 10 cents per kilowatt hour here in the US. My daily revenue is $1.70. My monthly revenue is about $50. And once you subtract electricity, daily I'm walking away with 43 cents, and monthly $11.84. Last but not least, my 1070 Ti system. It's also on Ethereum, doing about 192 megahash, using 800 watts. It's using about $57.60 in electricity a month, and about $1.92 daily. My daily revenue is $227, and my monthly revenue is $68. Once you subtract electricity and everything, daily I'm walking away with 35 cents, and monthly I'm walking away with $10.40. So down to the main numbers that you guys really want to see, and this is it here. If you have to pay for electricity, you're getting $1.17 a day, and monthly $33.95 a month if I had to pay electricity. Now, since I don't have to, it's only $6.47 a day for me, and about $193 a month. So this number's accurate. This one I could vouch for. For the past 2 months since December, even though I did have my systems off for some of that time, I did have them running on and off here and there daily. I had it running for like 1 week straight, and averaging my numbers, this is a real number. $193. Of course, you have to take out for fees and everything once you withdraw back to US dollars, but $193 is not bad for me at all. And this is straight profit because I have the solar panels on my house, and my monthly payment for my solar panels is less than the electricity cost for the house without my mining rigs. So my normal electricity bill would have been something like $195 without mining, and my solar panel payment is $150 a month. So I'm saving $45 with the solar panels, and it's allowing me to mine. So that's literally me saving hundreds of dollars a month. Remember, I live in New York, so electricity cost for me here is like 21 cents per kilowatt hour, whereas the rest of the United States is like 10 cents per kilowatt hour. So that's why I made the push and I got solar panels as fast as I could. I almost forgot to talk about the giveaway for this RX570. So if you want to win this, all you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Now, if you want to double your entries, you can go to Instagram and follow me on Instagram at The Tech Sector, and I will be putting up a post about this RX570. So if you go to my page, you go find this post, it's going to be a picture of this RX570. All you have to do is like the photo and comment and say why you want an RX570, and that way you have double entries into winning this thing. And I hopefully gain some sort of a following on Instagram. I'm trying to branch out on there too, so that if I need to put short updates out there, I could put it on Instagram, stuff like that, and hopefully you guys can catch that there too. I'm a small YouTuber, so I don't really have that many subs. I don't really post that often, so I'm really trying to figure out the best way to bring content to you guys and expand the channel so it can actually grow and hopefully become something one day. So that's pretty much it for now. I will see you guys next time, and remember, I am going to be doing a setup tour video very soon, so I can't wait for that. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time.